I'm here at the Wynn Entertainment Centre and I'm holding an SPL or sound level meter. It's measuring the volume or decibels of sound in this room. And as I get louder and louder, the decibel reading in this room goes up. Now if I really shout, I could probably get this meter up to about 100, 110 decibels. But the loudest sound possible is 194 decibels. How is it possible to have a sound so loud, nothing can be louder? Let's break it down a bit. When we make sound, we're actually creating these ripples through the air, pressure waves. It's a lot like throwing a stone in a pond. Moving through our ears, the pressure waves end up hitting the basilar membrane in our inner ear, and finally, we hear some sound. Now, because this is a pressure wave, actual physical air particles moving around, we can have a little bit of fun, but we're going to need some physics. The loudness of a sound is called the amplitude. That is the difference in pressure between the peak and trough of a wave. Now, in our metaphor, this would be how high the ripple is above the surface of the water. The unit for pressure is in kilopascals. A sound will get louder and louder. That is, the pressure or kilopascals increase between the peak and trough of each wave until we reach pressure waves with an amplitude of 101.325 kilopascals. This pressure level happens to be equal to the average air pressure at sea level. When a sound is so loud it has an amplitude of 101.325 kilopascals, it's actually forming a complete vacuum between the crest of each wave. So in our metaphor, this would be, okay, so maybe the metaphor can't explain this part. If a sound was to go louder than 101.325 kilopascals, it would need to create a vacuum, more vacuum than vacuum in each trough. And that's something that's impossible. And so, at sea level, sounds cannot be louder than 194 decibels. It's physically impossible. This episode was produced by me, Nathan Chapman. My camera operator was Brodie McDonald. A huge thanks to Wynn Entertainment Centre, Arena AV and Relativity for production assistance on this one. And now on to our final tidbit. There is also a quietest sound possible. Because sound is a measurement of pressure vibrations through a material, and all particles vibrate constantly, there is a point in which any noise is physically indistinguishable from the noise of molecules of air itself.